Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 1s Chicago Lost and Founds. As you can see from the box itself, it just looks like you had this pair of sneakers for a long time and it's just been worn down. We copped this in a size 10 for my husband. Upon opening the box, you do see the Sandy Bros little receipt dated August 30th. Cute touch. And then the detailed paper clippings of Air Jordan articles, which I thought was a very unique touch to the presentation of the sneakers itself. So, as you all can see, this is double papered, like it has two separate layers of paper. And here we go. The Nike Air Jordan 1s Chicago Lost and Founds. Ain't that a beauty, y'all? So my husband already laced his. As you can see, he preferred the black lace. So as you all can see with the close-up, the vintage look with the crackle top portion and the bottom portion or the bottom sole of the shoes itself just look like it's been worn. It has the toe box that also has a crackling effect, if you can see with the close-up. Love the details of the sneakers. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you have made it to this far in the video, please consider subscribing and becoming part of the Simply K family, and give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on today's video. Lastly, just pulling out everything from the box, you can see it does come with two separate laces, black and cream. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy this quick unboxing. I know it's not a long, detailed, drawn out video. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful pair of sneakers on hand, or in hand, sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and leave me your comments on your thoughts. And yeah, subscribe. Catch you all in my next video. Thank you guys. Do have a blessed one. Bye.